Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am going to make a card. I am going to be using the Made with Love kit from Stampin' Up! And I am no longer a demonstrator and it has been a while since I have used these stamps. But I have a friend who had a little baby and I need to send her a card. So I picked out this blue paper that I had in my stash and I'm going to cut it down so it measures 5.5, and then it should measure 8.5. Yes, so then I'm going to score it at 5.25 so that I am making an A2 sized card. Yes, that's 4.25. So now I have my base for my card already, and I wanted to use this brown because I thought that these colors went really nicely together. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this that is 4 inches by 5.25 so that it can fit on the outside of the card like this if I choose. Oh, whoops, I think I need to cut it 1/4 inch. Is this not 5? Did I mess up? Oh, I did that at 5.25. Oh well, it's a little bit short, but that's okay. I will make it work. I should have done it at 5.5, but I did it at 5.25. But that's okay because I don't really need to put it in an envelope because I'm going to put it in a little package. I also made her these cute little baby booties that I thought were just adorable. I knitted these, so I'm going to put these with the package and mail it. So it's okay that it doesn't quite fit, or that it will be a little short of the A2 envelope. So just pretend that it's 4.25 by 5.5 and we'll be good. And then I have some white paper to go on the inside. I'm going to cut this at 4 by 5 to match the inside. And then I think I'm going to use this and just cut some. I don't even know how big. I'm just going to cut a piece. This measures, just so you'll know, about 2 3/4 by 4. And I'm going to put that in the middle, I think. I'm just kind of winging this card as we go along, so it's just going to be a cute little baby card. And I don't think I'm going to use these pieces, but I'm not going to throw them away yet just in case. And I also have some doilies that I can use, and I also have some polka dotted ribbon that I thought was cute too that I might use. So let's see. First thing, I'm going to stamp my image on this. And I'm getting out my Stampin' Scrub and my Stampin' Mist so I can clean my stamps. I need to pick out what I want to use to stamp. I already have this kitty cat cut out. And since it's a little baby, it doesn't really matter. So what I'm thinking is I might do this. So I'm gonna let me stamp the kitty cat first. I'm gonna stamp the cat in black. I'm going to stamp it about here. clean that off, put this away, and then I'm going to put the cutout of the cat right on top like that, and then I will take the shirt, and it's striped, and I think I'm going to use a brown. I'm going to stamp right on top, and pardon me if you can see my head. I am just trying to make sure I somewhat center that kitty cat. Clean that off. Some of the stripes didn't show up very well, but I think that when I color it, it will end up fine. And then when I remove the cat, you'll see just the cat below with the stripes underneath. Isn't that cute? So there's that. And here's a congratulations. I think I will use that stamp. Make sure I ink it up. Off centering that on the bottom. That thing's falling down on me. I should really put this over here. And I like this, wishing you happiness, wishing every happiness to you and your new baby. That's cute. I think I will put that on the inside. So let me find the... Then I'm going to get out a punch, and I think I'll use this cute little moon and stars punch. I think that might be cute. Trying not to mess it up. There we go. Yay. I kind of did mess it up at the bottom here. Let me try to... There we go, that's fine. Doesn't want to stay closed. Crazy stamp. Or not stamp, punch. All right, well, actually, you know what? I think I'm going to use that, and I think I'm going to use an aqua pen. I'm just going to take my aqua pen and get a little bit of ink on it, and then I can color. So I'm going to try to carefully color just the areas that I'd want brown. I love this technique. It's really a cute way to make things look like they're on top of the other. Weld them kind of together like that. Perfect. And then I'm going to use this as a scrap. And then I'm going to get out an orangey to make the cat. Kind of orange. Goodness. A little pastel is fine. Aw, that's cute. And I might take a little darker just to kind of highlight it just a little bit. Just a wee bit for the wee one. And I need to drink my coffee. Okay, I know I want this on the inside of the card, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the inside. Then I'll write my sentiment in there. Sounds like someone's at the door. Hold on a second. There's no one there. I don't know what that noise was. I don't know if you guys heard it or not. Oh, I think it's my husband upstairs. And I think I'll put this down here toward the bottom. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to cut off where it says congratulations. And then I think I'm going to cut this out roughly. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tape this to the base of the card. Sometimes doilies are a little bit tricky in that they will rip, so you have to be a little careful with them. And then I'm gonna take this congratulations and put it here on the bottom. Like that. And then this I will put here. I think that's cute. I'm excited. I'm going to pop this up with some pop dots. Then just pull the backing off of these. Put that down there like that. And there is my card. Congratulations! Wishing you every happiness to you and your new baby. And that's a little crooked, but you know what I could do? I could cover it up with this and then put it on white again. Or, you know what? I'm just going to leave it. It doesn't matter. He's a little boy. It's cute. I say so myself. And I think I will put a knot on it right here. I don't think I'll do a bow. I think I'll do a little knot. All right, so that's that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day and get creative. Thank you.